Is it gonna die? Hey! Hell yeah, brother! That should go off. Oh, I forgot about that.
Reception of this broadcast. One picture, no varying resistance from the transmitter. This test is conducted each Wednesday.
Alright, gotta make a run for it. Nice. Hell yeah. Batteries in that 120 actually died, that's why I wasn't able to get the Boston test. What? I just fixed you, and you're not going off. Oh, that explains it.
Lows in the lower 60s. Thunderstorms are not forecast for this period. Water temperature 72 degrees. Independence Day, southwest winds miles per hour. Winds around 1 foot. Thursday night, partly cloudy with a slight chance of showers. Cumulative lows in the mid, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers in the afternoon. Highs around 80.
Cool. That surprisingly didn't die. Which one's still on?